Welcome back friends. Today's topic is regarding how to automatically highlight the active cells row in Microsoft Excel. As you see in the screen, when I click on different cells, the selected cells row is getting automatically highlighted. Let's get started. First of all, select the data where you want to apply this automatic highlighting of the row. For this, select the first row, then press Ctrl Shift down arrow key together, which will select till the last row. After selecting, click on Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. And here in the formula bar, the conditional formatting rule will be equal to cell, open parenthesis, then put here double quotation, ROW, double quotation, close parenthesis, is equal to, put here ROW, open and close parenthesis. After writing this formula over here, now click on the Format button, click on the Fill tab, then select the color that you want to use for highlighting. Let me select this color, then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now to automatically update the conditional formatting rule here in the sheet, we have to write a small line of VBA code. For that, right click on the sheet name, click on View Code. Here in this drop down, select Worksheet. And in this drop down, it should be the selection change. If not, make it selection change. Then here write this code, that is application.screenUpdating equal to true. After writing this code, you can close this VBA editor window. Now if you click on the cell, here you see the active cells row is automatically highlighted. If you switch to different cells, the highlighting will auto change. After doing this all, to save this functionality in Excel workbook, you have to save this workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the File tab, click on Save As. Here in the file type list, choose this Excel macro enabled workbook. Then choose the location where you want to save the file. For example, I am selecting here desktop. Then you can put here a name for your workbook. Let me put here database, for example. Then click on the Save button. Look at the desktop. Here you see the database sheet is created with the macro enabled. Now you have to open this file to use that automatic highlighting feature. If you want to disable this feature from the workbook, you have to again select all the data. Then click on the conditional formatting. Click on Clear Rules. Then click on Clear Rule from selected cell. After clearing the rule, you have to go to the Developer, Visual Basic, then delete this code from here. Select and delete the code. Then the automatic highlighting feature will be removed from the sheet. So this is all about automatically highlighting the active cells row in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download the sample workbook file from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video tutorial.